Today I'm going to show you how to take the B pillar cover off your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic Coupe. This is for the 8th generation. So first thing what you're going to do is just have to open the door. So in order to do that, all you just need is a Phillips screwdriver, and then you're just going to loosen this screw down here. And there we go. Okay. And now that you took that one screw in the back off, all you're going to do is come to the bottom piece here, hold the top, and just push it upwards. And then just pull it out. And that is all.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.